AMG stands for performance at the highest level. This is especially true for AMG engines. The new AMG 5.5-liter V8 bi-turbo engine. A masterpiece of engineering, extremely agile, and with significantly lower fuel consumption. Two fast-reacting turbochargers use the exhaust energy to compress the charged air to 2.3 times its normal density. A large-dimensioned intercooler cools the compressed and heated air and reduces its volume. Turbocharger and intercooler force twice as much air mass into the combustion chamber as in a naturally aspirated engine. The fuel is injected by piezo injectors, direct with up to 200 bar. These technical innovations and the engine's lightweight aluminum material increase torque up to 900 Newton meters. Other technical highlights of the new AMG bi-turbo engine. The lightweight, low-mass pistons are extremely strong and resistant to high temperatures. Exhaust valves made of high-alloyed special steels, sodium-filled and with hollow shaft. They lead the heat upwards towards the cooling water. A divided chain drive for more precision and less wear. A volume flow controlled oil pump helps reduce consumption. And stop-start function in C drive mode. When the car stops, the engine turns itself off. All relevant systems remain on standby. Releasing the brakes initiates the direct engine start. Stop-start works with the AMG Speed Shift MCT 7-speed sports transmission with its wet starting clutch. The new 5.5-liter bi-turbo engine from AMG, with many advanced technologies, an uncompromising power unit with maximum efficiency and more than 25% fuel savings. Best in class in terms of consumption, performance,